Okay. Um, I am playing Amongus. Amongus. Ew. I just burped again. No. I just logged in. Um, I just logged in. Okay, anyways. Online. This is not my first time playing. I just downloaded, Among Us. um, yes, bro. Oh, hello. I am playing Amongus. Hold on, where's my... Ugh. That's better. That's better. Okay. Bomba crowd. I guess. Join game. Are you kidding me? What about this one? Yay! Wow. Ew, why is my name Netbrin? Oh. No one says Frankenstein. Just look at Victor in LA and sit with the... No, wait. Hello? Oh, okay. Soon as I am able, every other day I'm... Shh. Bro, are you kidding me? I'm a tracker. I'm a tracker. I have no idea what that means. Cause, I haven't played Among Us in a long time. Why am I so fast? Already? Hold on. You might never. Anyways. Chat. A bit early. I have no idea anyways. It's autistic. I'm sorry, this video might be boring. Whoa, oh no. What? I can't move. What's happening? I can't move. Oh. I can't move. Oh, that's why. Madam. Whoa. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Oh yeah, Chris is totally straight. Shout out to they them or she her. Chris is totally straight or Chris. She is my best friend in real life. Actually, he, cause trans. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Buh. I almost threw him again. Move! What is this? We're not dead. Why is it getting dark? Someone died. Hello. Goodbye. Hello. Hello. Bye. Anyways. If y'all vote on me, oh my god. No. Okay, you know what? Bye.